In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're turning a plain list into a clean, clickable checklist in Google Docs so you can track tasks, projects, or errands with ease. By the end, you'll know exactly how to format your text as a checklist and choose a layout that fits your document. Start by creating your list. In your document, type each item on its own line, pressing Enter after every item so they're clearly separated. Keep each line short and action focused so it's easy to scan later. And if you already have a list, highlight the lines you want to turn into a checklist. Selecting your text first ensures the formatting will apply to everything at once. Next, move to the top menu bar and click Format. This menu is where Google Docs keeps most of the styling tools for paragraphs and lists. From there, hover over Bullets and Numbering. You'll see options for standard bullets, numbered lists, and the checklist tools we want today. It's all grouped together because they control the same kind of formatting. Choose the checklist option. As soon as you click it, the items you selected will transform into a list with clickable boxes. If you didn't select anything, the current line becomes a checklist item and new lines you create will follow the same style automatically. Once the boxes are in place, you can click any one to mark an item done. Google Docs will show it as checked and typically apply a strike through so it's obvious at a glance what's completed. If you check something by mistake, just click the box again to uncheck it. Now pick the layout you want for your checklist. Google Docs provides a few visual styles so you can match the look and spacing of your document. Some layouts use slightly different checkbox designs or spacing between lines. Choose whichever feels easiest to read and consistent with the rest of your page. If your list already includes headings and sub-items, the checklist will respect your existing structure, keeping everything neatly aligned. And that's it. Done. You now have a functional checklist ready to use. As you work, add new items by pressing Enter at the end of a line, and they'll continue in checklist format. Keep your entries clear and specific so it's obvious when an item is truly finished. If you ever want to switch back to regular bullets or numbers, you can return to the same formatting menu and choose a different list style. With these simple steps, your document becomes a practical, trackable to-do list you can update in real time.